welcome back to my channel. Today I have some people would say a basic bag unboxing to do for you. But let me know if you think it's a basic bag or not. I am super excited to get it. I was hoping to get it for like 2 years now, and I finally found the perfect one, and I'll let you know why I think it is the perfect bag for me. So let's get started. So here it is. It comes in this big box, and I really haven't unboxed it yet, so it is a true unboxing. So here's the box. As you can see, I got two little goods there as well that I will be unboxing with you today. So here you are. And let me open the magnetic opening. Oh wow, it looks so small, but it is not a small bag. So let's see. Here you are. Let me see, is there anything else in the bag? Yes, my receipt. What else is there? Oh, that's the client advisor's card. Okay. So let me see the price for this bag. I'll let you know. So the price for this bag is $1,610. So $1,610 plus the tax. So it came up to $1,745. It is outrageous price for a bag that is not even a leather bag. So that's a hint. It's a canvas bag, super expensive, but I think I'll be using it like every single day. So as you can see, it is in the Damier Ebene print, and this is how they come folded. So let's unfold it. And this is why I said it is a basic bag, because a lot of people have it. And as you can see, it is a Speedy 25. Let me adjust the creases a little bit. Okay, so it is like creased, but it will get better once I wear it, I guess. So look at this little tiny cute bag. They make it in a nano size right now, not the Damier Ebene, but just a normal Louis Vuitton print. So I think this is small, so nano is like super tiny, I think. But how cute is this bag? Seriously, I was so happy to find this bag that is made in France. So here you are. This bag is made in France, so pretty, and it comes with this beautiful lock. The sales associate just put it on for me, and it has this red interior, and inside the bag we have a strap. Here you are, and in this little thing we have the key that I don't think I'll be using, but, and here's the tag as well. All right, so this bag has just one little pocket inside. It's this pocket right here has a zipper. Now let me see. It is pretty tiny, but you can put like a hand sanitizer in there. That's how tiny it is. And it has those cards in there. Okay, so let me attach it and show you how this bag looks on me. Super easy to attach, and this is what I've noticed right away. So look, this is so gold and pretty, and this one is not as gold. Do you see that? Like, look at the gold on the lock and on this ring right here. It's not as shiny. So that's what people were talking about. It doesn't, wow, different quality. Interesting. The zipper is not as gold as the lock as well. Okay, so anyway, I think I'll be buying a organizer for this bag because I don't like the sagging, but for now it will do. So this is how it looks on me if I wear it on my shoulder, and I'm 5'6", okay? And this is where it hits me crossbody. So it's a nice length, but it is adjustable. The strap is adjustable, so you can do that. Such a pretty tiny bag. So I got this bag, like I said, because I have a lot of kids and I need something big, but at the same time not like super heavy. So I will be alternating this bag and the Neverfull. So Neverfull, like, you know, I got it in the Damier Azure color, but the Vachetta, so I can't really wear it when it's raining, and I have to be like more careful with that bag. And this bag is just super carefree, so I can just wear it any day, not thinking about the weather, not thinking about like my babies touching my bag with like their slimy little hands. So yeah, this is a carefree bag, treated leather. I think I will be like enjoying wearing this bag, and I'll show you what's in my bag in the next video. But yeah, so let me show you something else that I got for this bag. It comes in this little box. There's this dust bag. And here it is. This is a very little luggage tag that will look beautiful on this bag, and I will attach it like right here. And I'm thinking about putting my initials on it, or my sales associate said she can do like a horoscope sign on it, and I'm a Scorpio, so it would be like in gold, like a little Scorpio sign in gold. So I'm thinking, what do you guys think? Should I do the Scorpio sign or my initials? Let me know. So I'm not sure how to even attach it, but basically it will be something like this once it is attached. Okay, so gives it a little something extra. I don't want to spend a lot of money on bag charms. They're like ridiculously priced, like $600. So, and this is only 60 bucks, and I bought it from my sales associate. So that is that, and here is another box, and I would say this is a bag charm as well, but you can use it for your hair, hint, and for a scarf. So it's multi-purpose piece, but I will be using it for my bag. So as you know, I recently got a Neverfull in the Damier Azure, and I unboxed it on my channel. And I think this piece will actually match that bag better, but here it is. It is a little bandeau scarf in this beautiful pink color. Look how pretty it is. Okay, so look at these details. It says Louis Vuitton on the very bottom. Okay, and it has, oops, and it has a luggage tag right there and Louis Vuitton print all over. So I'm thinking about just tying it on my bag as a bag charm, like in a little bow. But yeah, I don't think it matches this bag, but it will match my Neverfull in the Damier Azure color, and it has the pink interior. So the pink will be perfect for that bag. And I also got a luggage tag for that bag in a large size, and obviously just in the normal Vachetta color. But this is a small size luggage tag if you guys are thinking about getting one. Do you guys like it crossbody or on the shoulder better? Let me know in the comments, please. I need to know how to wear this bag. So this is a new model. So it comes in this leather that is matte. So it's not glossy at all. Everything about this leather strap and about this leather handles are matte color. It's a beautiful matte. Okay. And I think you can match and mix and match this bag with like any type of clothes. So it looks good with pink, it looks good with black, with white, with brown. Okay, here is a little tutorial on how to put this luggage tag that I got onto this bag. So basically you just stick it in right here. And then it has this long opening. It doesn't have like the old model that comes with the buckle. So there's no buckle. So you just take this tag and you open this opening right here. I hope you can guys stand up. And you just put it in and go all the way on top. And here's that. So the tag is in, and now you just gotta make it look pretty. And now you just gotta play around with it and make it look pretty. Okay, so here it is if you wanted to face this way. So really quickly, let's see what fits inside. And you can see there is no bag organizer inside, so there's a mess, and you can see there is a lot of space still available to put more stuff. But right now I have my 4-key pouch right here with my key fob just hanging. Okay, so I have my sunglasses, and it's a big case. My makeup pouch. I used to have the Louis Vuitton pouch, but I sold it to fund my other bags. And now I'm just using the free Ipsy bag with a lot of makeup inside. So my regular glasses fit inside. So a little bit dirty case, but yeah, you get the point. This big case. So I have a portable charger for 2 phones or whatever you need. Hair clip. A card holder. That's okay. Mirror. This is cute. Lily Pulitzer. And then I have this case for this. I guess I'm the only one with no AirPods, but yeah, this should go inside of there. And that's it pretty much. I have like one random card over there, but yeah. So as you can see, all of these things can fit inside this bag, and I can put like a bottle of water and my phone inside. So definitely a very compact bag that fits a lot. So yep. So yeah, these are my unboxings for today, and I do have one more bag that I will be revealing maybe next week, so please subscribe and stay tuned. And I also have a clothes haul coming up. I ordered a lot of clothes from the Nordstrom sale and from Abercrombie store, so I will be doing that haul as well. So please subscribe and like my video, and let me know what you're thinking, and let me know what you think about this bag, and let me know if you want to see my next bag reveal. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.